Cures anemia. Black raisins are rich in iron, and they contain good amounts of iron, copper, and vitamins that are essential for making red blood cells and carrying oxygen throughout the body, thus preventing anemia. Enjoying a handful of black raisins that have been soaked in water every day will ensure that you'll meet your daily iron requirements of your body. 2. Lowers LDL levels. One of the advantages of black raisins soaked in water are their LDL reduction properties. Raisin water has anti-cholesterol compounds in the form of soluble fiber that flushes out the cholesterol in the body and gives it good health. 1/2 cup of raisins will give you 3.3 grams of fiber, or roughly 10 to 24% of your daily needs. So you know what to turn to if your daily fiber intake is low. Raisin water also contains enzymes that absorb cholesterol and reduce the levels in the body. 3. Regulates blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the most common issues that exist today and can lead to a whole host of serious problems in the body. The rich potassium levels in black raisin water make it ideal for naturally lowering sodium levels in the body. As sodium is one of the key reasons for high blood pressure, naturally reducing sodium levels is one of the best things you can do for your health. 4. Curbs food cravings. With its high fiber content, if you enjoy black raisins soaked in water as part of your breakfast, you'll benefit from feeling full for a longer period of time. This will help you control your hunger pangs and prevent additional calorie intake mid-morning. The natural fruit sugars like fructose and sucrose that are found in black raisin water have also been found to keep you full for longer. This way, black raisin water can help with weight loss, as it'll help you stay on track instead of reaching for the snacks. 5. Protects teeth. Black raisins soaked in water are extremely good for your teeth. You might have actually heard the opposite about raisins, but a recent study has found that compounds in the popular fruit snack can actually fight tooth decay. Certain chemicals in raisins suppress the growth of oral bacteria associated with cavities and gum disease. Of course, black raisin water contains natural sugars, so it's important to brush your teeth well after consuming it. But the evidence to suggest they may promote oral health is certainly promising. 6. Benefits for constipation. Black raisins soaked in water are known for their high amounts of dietary fiber, which can provide bulk to stools and help to prevent constipation by clearing your digestive tract. You might have heard the suggestion of eating more raisins if you're backed up, and this is because for many people, they act as a natural laxative when soaked in water. Eating soaked raisins not only helps prevent constipation, but also keeps your digestion process strong thanks to their ability to reduce bloating and flatulence due to the accumulation of abdominal gases. 7. Strengthens bones. If you struggle with joint pain or have weak bones, black raisins soaked in water are the way to go. They contain calcium, which helps in strengthening the bones. Consuming black raisin water can help increase bone density and also help reduce the risk of arthritis and gout. Along with good amounts of calcium, black raisin water also contains boron, which has been proven to help enhance bone health by increasing how long vitamin D works in your body. 8.